Meanwhile, there's a substitution on the floor. Clete checking in, replacing Tabilong.
Talibong.
Or Talibong, sorry. Now here we go. Kimberly Clete at the service area. Ball received by Abdul Wahad. Here is Crisostomo. Over to Mikey Ramos. Ball is still alive para sa Barangay Salawag. Joan Jonella. Crisostomo with the reception. The other Crisostomo setting it up. Ramos stops it over. Herlin kept it alive. Joan with the attack. And it's inside. The ball hits the floor. Point para sa Barangay Salawag. Lamang na lang isa ang Barangay Salawag. 19-18. Here we go. Clete at the service area. Ball
Nice,
received
sir.
by Crisostomo. Oops.
Ace, kuya.
That's an ace. Yes.
Ace for Barangay Salawag. Dalawa na ang kalamangan ng Barangay Salawag. No? Medyo lumalapit na sa latter part ng set na to ang Barangay Salawag.
Coach sa 20-point mark. Pag umabot ng 20, medyo nakakakaba na.
Medyo. Pero dalawa lang yan. Kayang-kaya yan.
Yes,
Kung talagang
yes.
may puso. Dalawa lang yan.
Abdul
No?
Wahad. Crisostomo over to Manalaysay. Ball blocked by Kat.
Yo! Wala tayong nasabi, no? It's done at home, no? Time check, quiz. 11:44.
11:44. Mukhang hindi tayo abot ng alas 12.
Hindi yan.
Hindi pa payag ang Barangay Sabang. Ako, baka gusto. Sabi nila, hindi, aabot tayo ng alas 12, kuya. Let's see. 21-18. Oh, ball out.
Point for Barangay
Barangay
Sabang.
19-21. Sabi ng Barangay Sabang, kami naman, Mikey Ramos at the service area. Ito, kumukuha rin ito ng service aces kanina. Si Mikey Ramos, let's see.
Yun!
I told you.
Galing mo dun sa part na yun, Kuis.
Yes. Kasi kanina pa ito nakakakuha ng mga service aces si Mikey Ramos.
Ang bigat din talaga ng service nitong ni
This is probably
Mikey.
the better way to do that. Down by 1 now. 20 serving 21. Oh! She took the risk.
Saklap nun.
Saklap. 22-20.
Timeout, 7 defenders.
And Barangay Sabang goals of timeout.
22-20. Ano kaya ang pag-uusapan ng Barangay
Kapag
Sabang?
ganito kadikit yung score at 22-20, parang ang haba-haba pa nito. Diba? Alam mo, hindi titigil ang Barangay Sabang na maiangat yung kanilang points, makapuntos, at ma-i-force ang fifth set for this game number 1. And of course, you have to imagine ano kaya yung pinag-uusapan ng Barangay Salawag. Tapusin na natin to. Atin na to. Ganun siguro.
Oo. Pero sa kabilang side naman, hindi pa tapos. Dalawa lang yan. Kayang-kaya natin yan.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, 22-20 on the scoreboard. 2 puntos na kalamangan para sa Barangay Salawag. This is set number 4. 2 sets to 1. Barangay Salawag up ahead. And they lead by 2 right now here in set number 4. Joan Jonella with a service. Ball received by Corpus. Crisostomo taps it over. And the ball hits the floor. That was a lucky break. That's a bad pass there by Corpus. Nagawa ng paraan itong si Crisostomo. And no one is there to receive that valuable.
Ano lang, discard na lang. talaga.
Discard lang.
Dito nalalabas yung pagkabeterano ng iba yung iba no. So yung hindi na kailangan dito yung fainted heart.
Yes.
No?
Para at the top of the net. Corpus kept the ball alive. Crisostomo over to Onde. Banta. Abdul Wahab kept the ball alive. Abdul Wahab elevates, stops it over, outside. She has all good intention on that attack, but ako, medyo malakas lang. Miscalculation, I don't know.
Medyo nakakabig ng konti.
Nakakabig ng konti.
Nakakabig lang naman ng konti.
23 serving 21. Dorisel Tupas serving all important services. Here is Corpus, Abdul Wahad, nakakakabato. Tupas over to Berlin. Oh! And Berlin Nabil.
Match point.
Match point. With a game on the line, you go to your MVP.
Pinuputol ng head coach ng Barangay Sabang ang momentum nitong Barangay Sabang, no? Barangay Salawag, no? Meron ng Salawag ngayon na 3 match points, no? Time check, quiz. It's 11:47.
It's 11:47 in the evening. I think gusto ng Barangay Sabang na umabot tayo ng alas 12 pero gusto ng Salawag tapusin na natin
Tapos
to.
may
Kuya
mga
Ryan.
pasok pa bukas, quiz, no?
Magpapalit araw ba tayo o matatapos tayo bago matapos sa July 14? We'll see. It depends on the attack, on the service. Joycel, Tupas, all important service this time. Ball received by the libero. Here is Crisostomo. Abdul Wahad!
Eto na.
Carlene Namil.
Buhay
Crisostomo
pa.
diving. Abdul Wahad with the attack. Wild sequence right here. Corpus to Crisostomo. Here is Onde. And the ball drops to the floor. Buhay pa kami, sabi ni Chris Onde.
Donut hole na naman.
Donut hole again.
So actually, quiz, mistiming yun eh. No?
Mistiming, oh, nagawa
Mistiming.
na pala.
So, pero sinuwerte pa din.
Sinwerte pa rin. Lucky break there for Chris Marie Onde. And here is Crisostomo at the service area. The setter. Inside! Oh boy! What a turn of events! Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Barangay Salawag of that service ace. Walang kukurap, walang bibitaw. Tuloy ang laban ng Barangay Salawag. In the fourth set, 24-23. Match point 23.
So, isa na lang kailangan ng Barangay Sabang
Isa
para
na lang
may
ang
extend
kailangan.
tong set na to, no? Tong set pa lang naman.
Not really ng Barangay, no, not really. Dahil pag nakascore ang Barangay Sabang, we'll adjust too.
Oo nga, kung mga may extend natin yung set,
yung
no?
set. Oh, yeah.
yung set.
Okay, tama ka dyan. So here we go. Tignan natin kung ano ba ang magiging resulta ng service itong si Trisha May Crisostomo. We'll see. Very important service right here. Trisha May Crisostomo. Good defense there. Jonella taps. That's Adanta. Oh! That's inside. And Jonella doing that stuff all throughout the game. And that is how she finished this matchup. Putting the ball when no one is around para sa Barangay Sabang. And Salawag wins game number 1.
So, smarts talaga
Smarts.
ni Johan Jonella ang nagpanalo dito sa kanyang koponan.
A
Quiz.
25-23 victory on the fourth set earned them game number 1 of the Best of 3 Championship Series. And what a ball game this has been, Coach Rain.
Yes, no? So, I'm looking forward sa game 2 na mas maganda yung ipapakita nitong dalawang koponan na ito.
And we're looking forward to a more exciting game number
Yes.
2. Lalo na win or go home yon para sa Barangay
Sabang.
And we will have that game
I guess it's this coming July 22.
is coming July 22.
No.
And hopefully it will be on a bigger venue. We'll see. But of course, it has been a wonderful game, ladies and gentlemen. Kita nyo naman, we are so excited. Hanggang bago mag-alas 12, ganito pa yung energy natin to bring the game to you live from where it's happening here at Barangay San Lorenzo, Ruiz 1, to your gadgets, whatever gadgets you're wearing, you're using, from wherever you are in the world. Yes, we have viewers from Dubai, from Japan, from the airport.
Oh, from the airport.
Okay, and to bring you the best player of the game, we have here ang ating court